The Namib Desert stirs as dawn paints gold across endless dunes. Cool air lingers for moments before the heat claims the land.
A young oryx takes its first trembling steps into the world. The mother stands tall, her shadow sheltering fragile life. Winds whisper across the dunes, carrying the promise of heat. Each day begins with a journey, water, shade, or death. Tracks in the sand, reminders that danger never sleeps. The desert sun rises higher, unforgiving and absolute. Already, shade becomes the difference between life and death.
Each sunrise renews the struggle and the will to survive.
The young oryx learns that every step must count.
The desert teaches fast, and it teaches hard. Instinct guides where memory has yet to form. In the dunes, unseen eyes track every move.
Separation is death. The mother never looks away for long.
Even here, life beats with quiet persistence. The young one learns to read the wind, the scent of danger, or salvation. Mirages dance, deceiving even the wary.
In sparse shade, the herd gathers to rest and guard the young.
Silence is survival, the language of the desert. As the sun ascends, the air itself begins to burn. The desert stirs with anger. Wind becomes a weapon.
In chaos, survival means moving together. When the storm passes, silence feels unreal. Every plant, every creature bears the mark of the sun. The calf's need for water grows desperate.
What looks like salvation is often illusion. The wind wails like a warning. Endurance is the only prayer the desert understands.
Even the faintest smell of life draws them onward.
The herd remembers paths older than memory itself.
Beneath the surface, hidden roots carry the promise of water.
Here, under the thorns, life endures against the odds.
Tracks of birds and insects mark where water once flowed.
With instinct as her guide, the mother begins to dig. In the desert, food is water, and water is life.
A drop of moisture means another day won.
Far to the west, the ocean sends whispers of rain.
Life here does not wait. It endures, and it returns. At midday, the desert becomes a furnace of silence.
Even the smallest shadow offers a world of relief.
In stillness, their hearts slow, conserving every breath. The herd waits. Time itself stretches beneath the sun. What seems like motion is only the dance of heat.
Some watch and wait for weakness.
Life here balances on the edge of awareness. One sound can mean the difference between life and loss. The desert reclaims its quiet, as if nothing ever happened. In this world, endurance shines brighter than the sun. As the sun falls, the desert reveals a new face. The heat fades, and with it, a fragile calm returns. When darkness falls, eyes that slept all day now open wide. One shift of the wind carries more than just sand. In the dark, danger moves with purpose. A mother's courage is sharper than any predator teeth. In the brief flash of violence, survival finds its voice. The desert belongs to those who know when to run.
Silence returns, heavy and absolute.
In the desert's night, the oryx keep their quiet vigil. In the desert's night, the oryx keep their quiet vigil. The desert breathes again as light breaks the night's silence.
The sand holds memory of every struggle survived.
With survival comes hunger, and the search begins anew. Each sunrise brings knowledge carved by heat and thirst. In this world, the journey itself is survival. The calf, once trembling, now moves with the rhythm of the desert.
Every heartbeat is defiance against an unforgiving land.
From beneath the sands, a hidden spring reveals itself. In the Namib, life endures, forever fragile, forever strong.